So today we're going to type clay. We're adding some swirls in the beginning of the C and the end of E. So what I'm doing right now is just do the right click and group each letters of the name. As you can see, it separates all of it. It's just highlighted it, change the color so you can really see what we're doing right now. And on that button, you can choose what type of font you're using. But today, I like to use Joseph and Sophia. And with Silhouette Cameo, you can also type the text you want. And you can see the different styles on the right side panel. What it looks like, of what font you're gonna use. Like I said, we're using Joseph and Sophia, and let's change the color. Client wanted purple. That's it. So we're gonna click this G button right to the A, and then you can choose different letter style of your font. What I'm doing right now is finding a C with a swirl in the beginning. That's it. All you have to do is just double click it and find the E and swirl as well and double click it. So you can see it's in our screen. Just make it bigger so we really can see what we're doing. Just showing you with different kinds of swirls we can use. Separate it a little bit. It's a bit blurry. So we're gonna drag down the L, A, I, move the E, put the R down, line it, put the E, then what I did is I just changed all the colors, then put a line, delete the one that we really don't need, highlighted it, right click, and weld. Weld means you're gonna connect each letter together instead of a broken line. You can see right now it's together. So once you cut this one in your vinyl, there's no broken line in each of the letter. It's in one text, but with the I, because it's on top, it's not connected.